Hello and assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be making Deghi Chicken Pulao. Let's see how is it made. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Here are the ingredients. After the chicken has been fried, you will remove the chicken and then in the same oil you are going to add the onions. And you're going to fry them until their color turns golden brown. And then you will add some water. And then you will add all the raw spices. And then you will add the salt, red chilli, biryani masala and coriander powder. And then you will add the plums and then the green chilli, ginger, tomato paste, and you will mix it well. And then you will add 6 to 8 glasses of water. And then you will cover the karahi with a lid for 5 minutes. And then after removing the lid, you are going to add the rice. And then again you are going to cover it with a lid for 5 minutes. And then you're going to add the cumin seeds and the garam masala. And then again you will cover it with a lid until the rice is 70 to 80% cooked and the water is evaporated. And now for the last time you're going to cover it and you will block the hole with a piece of aluminum foil. And after 15 minutes your pulao will be ready. And then your chicken pulao is ready to be served. And as always, I hope you guys will like the recipe once you make it at your home. And if you like it, like the video and subscribe the channel if you want. And if you're subscribed, then hit the bell icon. And as always, take care. Allah Hafiz.